Do you know how to wash your hands? You may find this question quite embarrassing, but researchers have confirmed that most people, even adults worldwide, do not wash their hands the right way. Poor hygiene, including poor hand hygiene, causes preventable diseases and outbreaks, keeping children out of school, stopping adults from working, putting more babies and moms in hospital, and putting institutions such as schools and healthcare facilities at risk. The facts are hard to swallow. Every day, around 800 children under 5 in Nigeria die from diarrhea caused by unsafe water, inadequate sanitation, and poor hygiene. This prompted Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari to declare a state of emergency in the water, sanitation and hygiene sector in 2018.
That I fully endorse the decision taken at the meeting of the Federal Executive Council in April this year to declare a state of emergency on our water supply, sanitation and hygiene sector. I call on all state governments to complement this effort by coding the sector similar recognition to enable us to work together to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals targets for water supply, sanitation and hygiene by 2030.
We are just right on time, because it was based on information and statistics. The statistics that is available at this time is what the action plan is addressing. It's responding to the statistics that is saying that we were at 32% in municipal water supply, today we are 7%. So this action plan is to take us back so that we begin to improve, as we move on.
The unavailability of water in most parts of the country contributes to the challenge of sustainable sanitation and hygiene. For places like Pape, Rootstvnigeria, Buhari, among other satellite towns in the FCT, where water is gold, it further increases the statistics on poor hygiene.
The water issue has not gotten to the rural areas, because at times when we listen or watch the news, we see some communities, even in this FCT, where the awareness has not gotten to, there's no water. In fact, there are one picture we saw in WhatsApp where children were fetching water from dirty waters and they were drinking it. It's appalling.
According to statistics from WaterAid Nigeria, about 157 million Nigerians lack access to hand washing facilities, and only 16% of Nigerian hospitals have facilities within their premises to dispense clean water.
The poor state of facilities, they don't have adequate water supply in the market space for them to even practice hand washing. And of course, this is a business area, so there is still a huge lot of gap in terms of awareness. People don't feel so relevant coming to give a listening ear to why they should wash their hands. So the priority is the market.
We know that a lot of states actually are doing their bit to ensure that they improve access to wash services. And other initiatives at the national level is the development of the National Wash Action Plan, which is aimed at revitalizing the wash sector. And last year, the President declared a state of emergency in the sector, which is expected to incentivize states to take up and ensure that more resources are allocated to the sector to ensure that there is improved service delivery across board.
To wash hands properly the right way, Center for Disease Control (CDC) advises you to wet your hands with clean running water and apply soap. Rub your hands together to make lather and scrub them well. Be sure to scrub the backs of your hands, wrist between your fingers and under your nails. Continue rubbing your hands for at least 20 seconds. If without a timer, it advises you to hum the Happy Birthday song from beginning to end twice. Rinse your hands well on the running water. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air to dry them. According to a report by the Food and Drink Federation London, not less than 5.5 million adults are estimated to be at risk of suffering from food poisoning each year as a result of not washing their hands properly. The ball is now in the court of the federal government to ensure the implementation of the 2018 Action Plan on WASH, while more sensitization is needed, especially for citizens in the rural and suburban areas. Roots TV Nigeria.